Hi. Okay. Hi, Sophia. So your question is, what is the critical value for this test? And we have a hypothesis test for matched pairs where the mean is equal to 0 for the null hypothesis and not equal to 0 for the alternative hypothesis. And on the right over here, I've drawn out the curve for a t. And the critical value is going to be based on the alpha level of 0.1. So it's a two-tailed test because the alternate hypothesis is not equal to. And we need to divide alpha by 2 in order to get how much is going to be in each tail, which is 0.05. And then the degrees of freedom is the sample size minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And we just look up on the t-table. I have part of a t-table copied over here. So we look up degrees of freedom 4 and the tail probability 0.05, and it gives us 2.132. So that gives us this 2.132, but then we have to include the negative one also because it's symmetric around 0. So the critical value is plus or minus 2.132. And then the test statistic t is d bar, so the average d minus the mean under h naught of d, divided by the standard deviation of the differences over the square root of n. And we're given those numbers in the problem, negative 11.9 minus 0, because that's the mean under h naught, divided by 11.925, divided by the square root of 5, and that gives us negative 2.2314, and happens to have a p-value of 0.08947, which is actually less than our alpha. So in this case, you would reject H naught and conclude that there is enough evidence that the mean difference is not equal to 0. So that's my answer. And if you have any further questions, please get in touch with me.